begin. Okay, we've taken a cell. Oh, that was very fast. That was very fast. So we took a buy here also. Okay, we've taken a sell. You can see we add a crossover to the downside. Let me zoom in. We add a crossover to the downside at this point. At this point, we had a crossover to the downside, and we bought took the trade. And you can see our stop loss is 20 pips approximately, and take profit is 30 pips approximately. So let's continue testing. Okay, let's see the outcome of the trade. So this to show us that the robot is doing exactly what we've asked it to do with our mobile phone. Now we did not.
What's up traders, I welcome you guys to this channel once again, and in today's video I'll be showing us a step-by-step process on how we can make use of our mobile phone to create a personal trading robot without coding. As a professional forex trader and a programmer, one of the questions I get often is, I want to learn how to turn my trading strategies into a working robot, but I don't have a personal computer. Can I make use of my mobile phone? Now the answer is yes. I understand the fact that not everybody can afford a personal computer in this current economy, but then that shouldn't be a reason why you won't be able to turn your trading strategies into a working robot. Don't underestimate the power of a smartphone. Your smartphone can do a lot of things, and one of them is creating a trading robot. So in today's video, I'll be showing us a step-by-step process on how we can make use of a mobile phone to create a trading robot without coding or any prior programming knowledge. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. Let me show you the step-by-step process on how to get this done. And if you watch this video and you enjoy this video and you learn something, I would like you to like, subscribe and share with other traders so you can learn something from this video. Alright, let's get straight into the video.
Alright guys, so let's begin. As you can see, this is still my mobile phone which I'm using currently. This is my mobile phone. Alright, it's not a personal computer. So what we need to get first is a VPS. Okay, VPS is a virtual private server. Okay, it's more like you operating a personal computer on your mobile phone. So for you to be able to get a VPS, okay, I'll be leaving a link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description and on my page on how you can get a VPS. I'll leave the link in the description. You can get a VPS for as low as $3. As low as $3, you can get a VPS. And also, if this is your first time, you can get a 20% or 40% discount. So the first thing to do is to get a VPS. Once you get a VPS, then you can now start creating this trading robot. I've already created a video on how you can connect or log into a VPS on my private channel. So if you want me to create a video on that on this YouTube channel, then kindly leave some comments in the comment section. All right, so let's begin. So the first thing to do is, once you get your VPS, we head straight to Google Chrome. Okay, then we go straight to FXDreema, which is the website, the platform which we normally make use of. Okay, then we log in. All right, so once we log in, okay, these are my previous project. Once we log in, we just go here to project and we click on new project. So we'll be creating a simple moving average crossover. Okay, a simple moving average crossover. I believe you all know that when a fast moving average crosses below or above a slow moving average, then we are going to take a trade. So let's just create a simple moving average. Okay, so let's make use of MT5. I've selected MT5. All right, so let's input a name. Okay, let's say moving average bots. All right, click on create. You can see this looks like, we are operating on a personal computer. So now the first thing to do is we come here to this check position count. We come here and we click on no position. We click on it and we drag it out. You can see this is more like you using a system. Okay, we click on it and drag it out. Then we come down here to we come up here to condition and formula. All right, we click on condition, we drag it out. Okay, then we bring out another condition too. We'll be making use of two conditions, one for buy and one for sell. All right, so we bring it out. All right, so I'm kind of liking this this platform, or okay, this interface, like creating a robot with my mobile phone. I often use my personal computer, but then I feel like I'll be doing this often now with my mobile phone. Okay, but then let's link this block to this block. Okay, let's link this to this block also. So now what we are saying here is, if there is no position, this is a no position block. So we are telling the robot that if there is no position, be it buy or sell, okay, be it buy or sell, there should be no position. So once there's no position, then the robot will start looking out for conditions that we've set for it. So the first condition we should set for it is, let's double click on this condition. So let's make use of moving average 5. Let's just make use of this moving average 5, and then let's make use of moving average let's say moving average 50. Okay, let's say moving average 50. Okay, we say when moving average 5 crosses above moving average 50, okay, we should take a buy trade. Okay, let's say crosses above. All right, so once moving average 5 crosses above moving average 50, then we should take a buy trade. So let's update. So we're going to do the opposite for the sell condition. Double click on it. Okay, now we say once moving average 5 crosses below moving average 50. Okay, moving average 50, then we are going to take a sell. All right, so now let's bring out our buy now and sell now blocks. These are our buy now block, and these are sell now block. Okay, so now let's link these blocks together. All right, so now we are going to edit our lot sizes. We are going to select what type of lot size we want to use. All right, so let's just let's reduce this lot size. Let's reduce this lot size to 0.01. okay, 0.01. So at this point, guys, if you're still watching at this point, it shows that you're learning something new, all right, something of value. So I would so much appreciate if you can like, subscribe, and also share with other traders so that they can benefit from this video. I so much appreciate. And also you can check the channel to see other videos which I've created, which you can actually learn something from. All right, guys, so let's head straight back. So let's change this stop loss. Let's reduce this stop loss to, let's say, 20 pips. Okay, and let's say for a take profits, let's say 30 pips, just for testing sake. All right, so let's do the same thing for the sell now. Okay, let's reduce this to 0.01. okay, just come down here to stop loss. Let's reduce this to 20, and this take profit, let's increase it to, let's reduce it to 30 pips. All right, so guys, so let's click on this .ex5 to test, to download our robot. Okay, so now we're going to click on this icon here. Now we click on it and it will automatically open it on our MT5 platforms. Yeah, so this is it here. This is it. So we right click. Once we right click, we click on test. Okay, we click on test rather. So we are testing on 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, and on GBPSD. So now let's click on start. All right. Okay. Let me pause this. I want to change the background color so that it can be clear, so we can see how the chart is moving properly. All right, guys, so I'll be leaving a link in the description, okay, to our website if you want to learn how you can turn any kind of trading strategies whatsoever into a forex robot. Okay, all you need to do is to click the link I'll be leaving in the description. Also, I'll be leaving a link in my on my page, on the top of my page, all right, to take you to our website. I've created a list of courses that is going to assist you in creating these already. All right, so yeah, let's begin. Okay, we've taken a cell. Oh, that was very fast. That was very fast. That was very fast. Let me reduce the speed. That was very fast. Okay, that was very fast. All right, okay, so we took a buy here also. Okay, we've taken a sell. You can see we add a crossover to the downside. Let me zoom in. We add a crossover to the downside at this point. At this point, we had a crossover to the downside, and the bot took the trade. And you can see our stop loss is 20 pips approximately, and take profit is 30 pips approximately. So let's continue testing. Okay, let's see the outcome of the trade. So this to show us that the robot is doing exactly what we've asked it to do with our mobile phone. Now, we did not make use of any personal computer or PC whatsoever. We made use of our mobile phone to create this video, this robot rather. Okay, so you can still see that this is still my mobile phone which I'm using currently. All right, so I'll also be leaving a link in the description to the VPS provider that I'm making use of currently. All right, so let's see the outcome of this trade. Okay, shows that the market is ranging at this point currently. Okay, that has ended in take profit. So it's not a bad robot after all. You can see you made some profit as for now. All right, guys, so that will be the ending of the video. So I'll be creating my next video, which will be how you can test a trading robot, how you can properly test a trading robot. And I'm sure that you do not want to miss the video. So all you need to do is to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss my next video. So until I see you guys next time, take care and have a lovely day.